Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about what is the basics of UI UX design. UI UX design focuses on creating a digital products that are visually appealing and easy to use, where UI handles the look and UX improves the overall user experiences. In recent days, UI UX is widely used to enhance user satisfaction, improve usability, and create efficient websites and mobile applications. Next, we are going to see about the introduction of UI UX. UI stands for user interface, which refers to the visual elements of a product such as buttons, colors, topography, icons, and layout. It focuses on how the product looks and feels to the user. So UX stands for user experiences, which refers to the overall experiences as a user has while interacting with the product or website. So it focuses on usability, accessibility, and user satisfaction. Together, UI UX aims to create products that are easy to use, accessible, and enjoyable. Next, we are going to see the concepts of key principles of UI UX design. So, first one is a simplicity. Designs should be simple and intuitive, and users should be able to complete tasks easily without confusion. So, a simple design improves usability and reduces learning time. So, next, moving on to the user centric design. UI UX design should focuses on users' needs, behaviors, and goals. Designers conduct research and testing to understand user expectations and create solution accordingly. So next, moving on to the accessibility. Product should be usable by people with different abilities. This includes readable fonts, color contrast, so keyboard navigation, and screen reader support. So next, moving on to the consistency. Consistency means maintaining uniformity in UI elements such as buttons, icons, layouts, and terminology. This helps user quickly understand the interface. Next, moving to the responsiveness. Responsive design ensures the interface adapts to different screen size like desktop, tables, and smartphones. So, moving on to the error prevention, design should minimize user mistakes by providing clear labels, validation messages, and restricted inputs. Next, feedback. System should provide immediate responses to user actions, such as loading indicators, success messages, or error alerts. So, affordance means a design element should visually indicate their functionality. For example, button should look clickable and a link should appear interactive. So next, moving on to the UI design process, there are three major steps or in UI design process. One is a wireframing, next one is prototyping and visual design. In wireframing creating a basic layout or blueprints of a interface. It shows the placement of elements without visual styling. So next, moving on to the topic of prototyping, this next major steps. Then prototyping involves building interactive models to test design ideas and gather feedback. In visual design adds colors, topography, icons, and images to improve aesthetic and usability. Next, moving on to the UI design process, it consists of three different types. First one is discovery, next one is ideation, and next one is testing. In discovery, the stage involves research such as user interviews, competitors analysis, and stakeholder discussion. In ideation, in this phase, designers brainstorm ideas, create personas, and develop possible solutions. In testing, designs are tested with real users to identify usability issues and improve the product. Next, we are going to see the roles of the UI UX design. Artificial intelligence is transforming UI UX design by providing design suggestions, supporting real time collaboration, enabling interactive prototyping, offering emotions recognition and cognitive testing, generating code automatically, providing templates and customization options. So, benefiting of AI in UI UX design, AI helps to speed up repetitive tasks, improve design quality, enhance team collaboration, support beginners with the smart suggestions, promotes suitable digital product designs. So wireframing in UI UX, wireframing UI UX design, wireframing is an essential step that acts as a blueprint for websites and mobile applications. It helps visualize layout and structure before development begins. What is a wireframe? Wireframe is a low fidelity representation showing placement of elements, just a navigation buttons and content areas without focusing on visual design. Purpose of wireframe: clarifies layout structure, improves communication, identifies usability issues, save time and resources. And moving on to the tools, we are using tools and most effective tools of quick prototyping and testing. We are using tools like Figma, Marvel, Proto.io, and Balsamic and Just in Mind. These are the tools we are using for the quick prototyping and testing. So after this, for fast collaborative prototyping, Figma and Marvel are the top choices for prototyping and testing. For high fidelity interactive prototypes with rich UI assets, Proto.io and Just in Mind Excel are suitable for this prototypes. And for quick fidelity frameworks, Balsamic is highly effective. For prototyping, testing, and user feedback, Maze integrates well with popular prototyping tools and provides a detailed usability insights. So, after seeing this, we are going to see about the concepts of wireframe. Wireframe is a load fillability representation showing a placement of elements, just a navigation, buttons, and the content areas without focusing on visual design. So, purpose of wireframing is clarifying layout structures, improves communication, identifies usability issues, saves times and resources. Some types of wireframes is there: low fidelity frameworks, mid fidelity frameworks, high fidelity frameworks. Low fidelity wire frameworks means simple sketches. Mid fidelity means a moderate detail. High fidelity means a near final layout. So wireframing tools are common elements in wireframes: boxes and rectangles for content areas, line representing navigation menus and links, placeholders text, lorem ipsum or for content. So icons or symbols indicating images, buttons, and interactive elements. So wireframing tools are already, we have seen that AI tools we are using for prototyping and testing. First one is Figma, Balsamic, Sketch, or Adobe HD, and Azure. These tools allows for quick creation, sharing, and iteration of wire frameworks, often supporting collaborations and feedback from team members. So in this session, we have seen how the tools allow designer to create, share, and improve wire frameworks efficiently. So UI UX focuses on the visual design, while UX focuses on the overall user experiences. Both work together to create intuitive, efficient, and user-friendly products. With the help of wireframing, prototyping, and AI tools, designers can build better digital experiences. So thank you for this session. Once again, thank you.